رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching online Quran learning classes. Inshallah, today we are going to start Noorani Qaida properly with tajweed. So before starting Noorani Qaida, I just want you know that what is Noorani Qaida. So Noorani Qaida is a basic book that teaches the basic of Arabic language and Quran recitation. It helps beginner to learn how to pronounce that Arabic letters and words correctly and how to apply the rules of tajweed in Quran reading. So first we start ta'awudh and tasmiyah, like a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim and bismillahir rahmanir rahim. How to pronounce this, and after that inshallah we will start Noorani Qaida first lesson. So the ta'awudh we call for a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and tasmiyah we call for bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So I will read first and you should practice after me and keep practicing. Let's start now. So the first letter is Hamza. We say a. After that is Ain, which is halqi letter. So the Ain we pronounce from middle part of the throat. So we say Ain. So after the Ain is Waw, which is madda letter. So whenever Waw come with the sukoon sign and before it comes dhamma sign, so that time we read one alif time longer. So we read A'u. A'u. Here Hamza and Ain should be separate. The Hamza sound comes from bottom part of the throat and Ain sound comes from middle part of the throat. Please repeat after me. A'u. A'u. After that is Dal, which is soft letter. So we read with the soft sound. A'udhu. A'udhu billahi. Billahi. Please repeat after me. Billahi. And here is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name. And here before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name is kasra sign. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name before comes the kasra sign, in this condition we read Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name in light sound like billahi. And here is standing fatha. We read one alif time longer here. Billahi. A'udhu billahi. Please repeat after me. A'udhu billahi. And after that is minash shay. Minash shay. And here after the shin is ya, which is lean letter. So whenever ya come with the sukoon sign and before it coming the fatha sign, so that time we read in soft sound like minash shay. We don't read longer here. Minash shaytanir. Minash shaytanir. And here is ta, which is musta'aliya letter. So we read with the bold sound. Rajim. Rajim. And here ra with the fatha sign. So we read with the bold sound. And after the jim is ya, which is madda letter. So here ya has sukoon sign and before it coming kasra. Whenever you see the words in this condition, so we read here one alif time longer because it is madda letter. So please repeat after me. Rajim. Minash shaitanir rajim. Now read together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Now we read tasmiyah. So the tasmiyah we call for Bismillah. So repeat after me. Bismillah. Bismillah. Here after by sin, which is whistle sound letter, so we make here whistle sound like bis, that sound. Bismillah. And here after mim is again Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name before coming kasra, so we read in light sound. Bismillah. Hir-Rahma. Hir-Rahma. And here is ha, we read from bottom part of the throat, and ra again with the fatha sign, so we read with the bold sound. Please repeat after me. Hir-Rahma. Nir-Rahim. Rahim. Now read together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Please repeat after me again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you understand ta'awudh and tasmiyah properly. So please repeat again and again and practice the ta'awudh and tasmiyah. So now we will start Noorani Qaida first lesson. So the Noorani Qaida first lesson name is Mufradat letters. Mufradat means like individual letters. In the first page, all letters we read individually. So basically we have 29 Mufradat letters in Arabic alphabets. So now we start from the first letter. So the first letter is Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Fa. Fa. Here fa is soft letter, so we read with the soft sound. Fa. After that is Jim. Jim. Here Jim we read longer, 5 alif time. So there is very easy tip to understand which letters are longer and which are shortly. So I tell you there, if you see any letter in the first page with this small alif, so these letters we read just a bit longer, like ba, ta, fa. And any letter comes without alif, like without this small alif, so we read here 5 alif time longer. So the jim don't have here alif, so we read longer. Jim. Next, ha. Ha. Ha is halqi letter, like throat letter, so the ha we pronounce for middle part of the throat. We say ha. Next is kha. 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 And also the kha is halqi letter, so the kha we pronounce from top part of the throat, like kha. Next, dal. Here dal don't have the small alif like this one, so that's why we read longer. Dal. Next is ral. Ral. And ral is also soft letter, So we have three soft letters in Noorani Qaida, like fa, ral, and dha. So these three letters we read with the soft sound. So repeat again. Ral. After that is ra, ra. Next za, za. Next sin. And here they don't have the small alif, so that's why we read longer. Sin, sin. Next shin, shin. Sad, sad. The sad, it is musta'aliya letter, so read with the bold sound. So we have 7 musta'aliya letters, which means like always pronounce these 7 letters with the bold sound, like kha, sad, zad, ta, wa, ghain, and qaf. These 7 letters we pronounce with the bold sound. So repeat again. Sad. Next zad, zad, zad. So our first lesson is completed here. So please practice this lesson properly. Inshallah, in next class we will start the second part of Noorani Qaida first lesson. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel Sami Al Quran online classes, and don't forget to click on bell icon for all new videos. Inshallah, we will meet in next class. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.